In Hands-on Equations Lesson 9, we're going to introduce you to a new legal move. Remember in Level 1, you learned that the blue pawn is X, and in Lesson 8, you learned that the white pawn is star. It's important for us to understand that a blue pawn, whatever value a blue pawn has, the white pawn will have the opposite value. So a blue pawn, when paired with a white pawn, is called an opposite pair or a zero pair because they equal 0. For example, if the blue pawn represented a gain of $3, then the white pawn would represent a loss of $3. Well, if I gain $3 and then lose $3, I'm at $0. What if, or let's say that the white pawn represents a gain of going up 5 floors. Well, then the blue pawn would be going down 5 floors. If I go up 5 floors and then down 5 floors, I would be at floor 0. So a blue pawn and a white pawn are called a zero pair or an opposite pair, and they always equal 0. Let's use that new knowledge to show you how to use a legal move using a zero pair. You'll notice that in this lesson, we don't have an equation. Instead, we have an expression. There's no equal sign in our expression, so we're only going to be working with one side of the balance. Let's build what we have. If blue or star equal 2, what would be the value of 2 blue plus white plus blue plus white plus 5? Well, let's build it to find out. So I have 2 x's plus a star plus an x plus a star and a 5 cube. Now they've already told me that our blue pawns are 2, and if our blue pawn is 2, our white pawn has to be opposite of 2. Well, opposite of positive 2 is negative 2. So I have 2 plus 2 plus negative 2 plus 2 plus negative 2 plus 5. Now, while we could go ahead and solve that, let's try to simplify it a little bit using our knowledge that a blue pawn when paired with a white pawn are a zero pair. Because a blue pawn and a white pawn together are 0, I could remove a zero pair. I could remove one of the blue pawns and one of the white pawns. And because they're worth 0, I'm not changing the value at all. I see I have another 0 pair. I can take that blue pawn and that white pawn. And now I'm left with just a blue pawn and a 5. That's a little simpler to find the value. Remember, our blue pawn is worth 2, as it states in the problem. So 2 plus 5 is 7. The value of the expression is 7. Let's do a second one. In this case, star is 4. And they want us to find the value of 3 star plus x minus star plus 1. Well, if star is worth 4, and we know that the blue is its opposite of positive 4 is negative 4. So let's build our expression. We have 3 star plus x